In this video, I'll show you how to see your recently watched videos on Facebook using your mobile phone. Sometimes you watch a video on Facebook and later want to find it again, but it disappears from your feed. Luckily, Facebook keeps a history of the videos you've watched. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find your information. Now tap Activity Log. On the Activity Log page, tap your Facebook activity to expand the options. From a bunch of options, find Posts and tap on Manage Posts. Tap Filters and choose Categories, and a list of activity types will appear. From the list, select videos you've watched. Now you'll see all the Facebook videos you recently watched, along with the dates they were viewed. From here, you can easily find videos you want to watch again. And that's it. That's how you check your recently watched videos on Facebook using the mobile app. If this video helped you, leave a like, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more simple Facebook tips and tutorials.